Is it really possible for a repaired valve to operate as well as the original? The answer is yes, if your valve is repaired by the experts at CECO. CECO, Compressor Engineering Corporation of Houston, by providing superior parts and service for more than 25 years, has grown to become the world's largest independent engineering and manufacturing company, supplying replacement parts for compressors, engines, and turbines. We supply a full line of compressor parts, like valves, valve components, gaskets, piston rings, wear rings, packing, scrapers, and other wear parts to keep your compressor running. And we provide special services, including compressor valve repair. Valves are the heart of your compressor. Even if the rest of your compressor and the driver are working well, inefficient and improper operating valves rob your compressor of horsepower and capacity. Faulty valves may also cause the premature failure of other parts, resulting in increased downtime. You can take advantage of CECO's considerable experience as valve repair experts, since we are currently repairing and building in excess of 1,000 valves per month. As a manufacturer of compressor replacement parts for virtually all reciprocating compressors, CECO has complete engineering specifications and performance parameters for your particular valves. This means when CECO repairs your valves, they will meet or exceed new valve specifications, and thus will perform like new and can restore your compressor's original operating efficiency. CECO engineers have considerable experience in diagnosing the efficiency of your compressor just from the condition of the valves sent in for repair. In fact, once we receive your valves, a visual inspection is conducted. Reoccurring abnormal wear patterns, excessive corrosion, and lubricant carbon buildup are important indicators that reveal to our valve specialists problems in your compressor other than worn or faulty valves. This important initial step at CECO has saved our customers thousands of dollars in downtime and future more serious compressor repairs. Your valves are then completely cleaned to guarantee no contaminants are present after they are rebuilt. The cleaning method used is determined by your valve's application and could include the use of a caustic bath, vapor degreaser, metal shot peening, or glass bead blasting. Critical measurements are then taken to determine if your valves meet minimum thickness specifications and if they can be restored to original or even better condition than when purchased from the OEM. During MagnaFlux testing, we look for non-visible or hairline cracks on all seats and guards. If any are present, the flawed part is replaced with a new part. At CECO, we do not weld or build up and reshape critical parts. This practice may result in a valve looking new, but does not have the structural integrity or life of a new valve under operating conditions. After the determination is made that your valve seats and guards are structurally sound, all critical dimensions are remachined in our modern machine shop using the latest equipment. A horizontal mill for recontouring Worthington feather valves, lathes for remachining guards to ensure proper valve lift, seating surfaces, and the gasket surface on both guards and seats, a vertical mill for machining spring pockets and nub pockets, and seats are ground on a Blanchard grinder, and then lapped to ensure perfectly flat seating surfaces for full metal-to-metal sealing. After we re-inspect all critical dimensions, your valves are completely demagnetized. Others often eliminate this step, but at CECO, it's critical. Since static electricity is created during machining, small metal burrs can magnetically cling to the valve seat and stop plate, which, if not removed, could prevent sealing or might enter the compressor cylinder and score the cylinder. After your valves are reassembled with new internal components, your reconditioned valves are then tested with low-pressure air to simulate actual service for final verification that the valves are ready for service. When liquid testing is required, we use a high-quality rust preventative. Any valve that does not pass the air or liquid test is disassembled for inspection. The problem area is then reworked to bring your valves up to CECO's quality standards. Your valves are rebuilt to seal perfectly with the first stroke of the piston. Valves are then dipped in a rust inhibitor, if their application permits, sealed in shrink wrap, and labeled with the OEM valve part number, customer stock number, compressor identification number, and specified as inlet or discharge. Your reconditioned valves are now ready for immediate application or a long shelf life, protected from dirt and corrosion. Along with your like-new valves, CECO will, upon request, also return all scrapped seats and guards, marked to verify CECO Engineering's failure analysis. The CECO Repair Center not only restores the life and increases the operating efficiency of your worn valves, we do it for substantially less than the cost of new valves. In addition to valves, CECO also reconditions unloaders, regulators, packing cases, pistons, rods, and cylinders. Though normal repair time is 7 days, CECO offers 24-hour emergency service 7 days a week. Old valves are made new again, with renewed life and increased efficiency at a substantial savings, by the valve repair experts at the CECO Repair Center. Even if you just have a question about valve repair, please call toll-free 1-800-TRY-CECO. No matter where you are, what you need, or how quickly you need it, CECO is ready.